Look, there's birds in my room. I don't know how they got here. It's a sign. Where'd it go? Look. Okay, I'm gonna open the door before they freak.
This window, because the screen's out. We can get one.
Okay. Ah, that hurts my ears.
Come on, buddy.
Look, they're just chilling.
There you go. There goes one. Come on, your buddy left. Here, let's get over to the other side so that we're between. Feel that fresh air coming in? Follow the air source. Right there. Try your friend went out.
He's just chilling up there.
Still picture of that. It's beautiful still.
I'm taking video. Oh, the text massage. Get out of here! Jeez!
There he goes. Bye-bye.
That was pretty cool.